Sykkuno says, bless you when Ray hiccups, validating Ray's tweet.
5 in a row, we won every single one.
Yeah.
And we all ranked up.
How long ago was that?
Like 4 or 5 days ago.
What?
Yeah, so do you think
feels
it's...
like a month ago.
Oh. Bless you.
Stop.
What? I didn't...
Sykkuno, Peter Park TV, Alexia Ray, Ash on LOL. 4 people that exist on this planet that say bless you after a hiccup. I will never forget. I'm keeping track. It is not, you do not say bless you after a hiccup, okay? Because the reason why people say bless you after a sneeze is because a long time ago, in ancient times, they would, no, not even a long time ago in ancient times. I don't know why I said that. Okay, because apparently when you sneeze, your heart stops beating for a split second. So they say it as if your soul is leaving your body. So they bless you. They bless you because when you sneeze, your heart stops and you die for a second. Kind of, like something like that. Yeah, something like that. There's evidence as to why people say bless you after a sneeze. When someone hiccups, you say nothing. Don't ask questions. Don't even acknowledge the hiccup. You say nothing. Okay? Nothing. Bless you.